Here we will show you how to install wood flooring using the nailing method. This could mean that the flooring is either nailed, cleated, or stapled into place using a finishing nail gun specifically designed for tongue-and-groove flooring, commonly called a blind nailer. It's important to choose the right nail and pneumatic device for your installation. Start with the longest and straightest board that you have available. In the first row, it is required that you have the groove portion of the flooring facing the wall and the tongue portion of the flooring facing out into the room. Face nail the first row of flooring along the chalk line you have established using the finishing nailer. Follow the manufacturer's spacing recommendations for the nails. To conceal as much of the nail marks as possible with the trim that you will install later, insert nails less than 1/2 inch from the wall. For spots not hidden by the trim, use wood putty that is stained to match the finish of your flooring. If your nailer will not fit into the spot provided, you will need to face nail subsequent rows until your nailer fits in place. If you must do multiple rows to start the installation, use tongue and groove glue in the joints of the first row to help establish a solid base. You may also need to follow this process for the last few rows. Once you have firmly established the first row or set of rows, you can now begin installing the remainder of the flooring. For a variety of floor installation and maintenance materials, visit your local Floor & Decor and at flooranddecor.com.